This video will help you if you are replacing the radiator in Mercedes GLS 450. This model series 167, model year 2022, and in this car the engine is M256 inline 6-cylinder engine. You can see radiator was leaking. So first of all you have to remove the front bumper, underbody protection, and then this cover also. Then you have to remove complete radiator fan, radiator, condenser, and then transmission oil cooler. So this all I remove together. Then I will separate the radiator and I will fix the new. So these are the connection we have to disconnect coolant line and also recover the AC gas because condenser is coming. So AC gas recover and then disconnect the our coolant line. This is the pressure sensor of the condenser, and there are one lock, and then you have to remove this one, and also you have to disconnect a small oil cooler for transmission. On the top of the fan it's coming. So now this is the condition. So I will show you. This is the here is the lock. This is the lock only for radiator, and here you can pull out. That's all. You can disconnect the radiator from this complete system. Now we have to clean and flush the engine cooling system because too much corrosion. So do not use the water only. Use the proper coolant so you can increase the cooling system life, and also you can increase the engine life.